What's up, everybody? It's Steph, the producer. Welcome to Funhouse TV. You're looking at oysters. You're looking at some mermaid slime. You're looking at a nice little jar of some purple slime, like this, right? Okay. Guess what kind of slime this is? Well, they call it galaxy slime. Galaxy slime because our oysters are from out of this world. Imagine if I did this the whole video. I just spun it around. Does that sound annoying? Yes. Okay, don't worry, I'm not going to do that. But what I'm going to do is, before we get to our oyster opening, I'm going to put some of these little stars. Okay. I'm going to put them in here. Then I'm going to put them in here, because then they're going to go all over the place. And we're going to take it. Look how pretty it is. Right? And then we're going to fold it. And then we're going to go, where did our stars go? Oh, where are they? Let's try to reopen it. Oh, they're still all in the same spot. Look at that, folks. It's the magic of Funhouse TV. And this is Galaxy Slime with stars. And these, over here, are oysters with pearls. From magical lands, faraway places, deep within the sea, is where they come from. Oyster knife. Who did we find today? A galaxy pearl. Look at this. The purple galaxy pearl on the first one with the purple galaxy slime. Check that out. Is that cool? Yeah. Steph, the producer, rock and roll. So let's put that there. Put that over there. This is called an Aquamarine oyster, if I said it right. I just want to give a shout out to all the pearl experts who come on my channel and tell me, you don't know what you're doing. Well, whatever. I don't care. We're having fun at Funhouse TV, and that's what Funhouse TV is all about, to have fun. Okay? If you want to go moan and complain, haters gonna hate, just like Justin Timberlake says. They're always gonna hate. Because you know why? They sit and they hang out. They do. Ooh, pinky pie. No, I don't like these. They're kind of ooky. We'll just take this out. Hold on, let me take it out. Ooh, is there another one in there? No. We found what? So we have the pink and the purple. Sort of, it looks like. Okay. What color is in here, folks? What color is in here? Do you know? I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to find out right now. It's blue. The blue pearl. The blue pearl. How do you find all these? Where do you buy these? What do I do? What do I do? Where do I get them? You guys, I don't get them, okay? People send them to me. People mail me stuff. People are super cool fans and they say, open this up, okay? And that's what happens, all right? I used to get some a while ago, last year on Amazon and other places, but I don't get it there. Now this is like a different blue. See, watch this. Watch this, folks. Two different kinds of blue in the galaxy pearls. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Right? Galaxy slime pearls. Ooh. On a holographic board. Ooh, everything's hollow. What's in here? Green. Beautiful green. Beautiful, beautiful Oh, a double whammy. Whoa. Didn't see that coming, folks. A double. Look at that. They're twins. What am I supposed to do? Let me go check all the other Pearl channels out and they'll tell me what to do because that's all they do. Listen, if you're another Pearl channel or if you're a fan of other Pearl channels or whatever you are, do not come on Funhouse TV and say, go watch so-and-so's channel. You get banned. Well, whatever. I'm just messing with you guys. It's Steph the producer. Welcome to Funhouse TV. And I'm being kind of funny, right? Yeah, I guess so. Yep. Okay, so here we have our galaxy pearls like this. Look at that. Ooh. How pretty is that? Yep. I love your videos. I want to give a shout out to all the shout-outers. And yes, we've been doing oyster videos for a pretty long time. And don't worry, things are going to get more exciting real soon. Oh, pink. Pinky pink. A different kind of pink. It's a different shade of pink, right? It's not like this shade. Here we go. Dropping all the things, okay? Yeah, look at that. That's so pretty. Everything on my show is pretty and cool. Because you know why? I am. You sound obnoxious. You sound like you're bragging. Oh well. You know what? I'm just messing around. Because you know what? Try to have fun and enjoy life and be cool like me and find yourself some pearls. Why not? Don't take yourself so seriously in life and don't, just enjoy and do cool things. Oh, cool. It's got like the star on it. Hey, look, it's a star oyster. Where'd you get those? I don't know. They just appeared. On Funhouse TV, anything can happen. Yep. Anything can happen. Oh, this is a giant white one. Look at that. That's cool. So in today's episode of How Bad Do Your Oysters Smell, we found these beautiful, hold on, let's get this one back in. We found these beautiful pearls and with our galaxy slime. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Okay. That's so pretty. Look at that. Alright, so you're watching Funhouse TV. I'm Steph the producer, and remember to be super cool, subscribe, and have an awesome day, and make a lot of friends, and I don't know. I got an idea. Let's do this. Oops, let's pour this on here and make it even glisten more. Oh, well, now you can't see it, but hold on, our pearls are in here. And that was one of my genius hacks. Whoa, the pearls! Okay. I gotta go clean up this mess. I just wanted to tap some of them on. Maybe if I do this. Tap. Look at that. Oh, wow. Isn't that cool? Golden Star Pearls on Funhouse TV. No way. Inside of the slime. Look at that. Golden Star Pearls. Yep. All right. Be super cool. Later.